Hey guys, Get Level here, and welcome to Rapid Fire Tech News thing. I haven't figured out a name for it yet. Warning, I'm not a journalist. Those are mostly headlines and can be clickbaity. So please do some research before sharing your feelings about anything you see in this video. Thank you. The new design for Twitter on desktop introduces a couple of new features. You still can edit your tweets, but at least you can view your timeline in chronological order. I'm looking at you, Instagram. The big trend on social media right now is to age yourself using an app and post it on Twitter. The app called Faceapp is from Russia and Americans are scared. Instagram is testing out a feature they announced a couple of months ago that hides the number of likes that you get on photos and videos. Still no chronological feed, by the way. Just show my stuff to my followers. The Apple iPhone 11's design has been leaked and it looks like that. Ew. Netflix lost about 130,000 subscribers in the second quarter. They also raised their prices in that quarter. Yo, how is that a surprise? How are you surprised? That being said, Netflix also announces its lowest subscription price ever, less than $5, but mobile only and also only in India. The vehicle company Ford wants a pickup truck emoji. Tetris Effect is a Tetris game coming out on PC next week. It is 4K and VR. That sounds pretty dope. Our boy Elongated Muskrat, also known as Elon Musk, announced Neuralink, a startup company that will link the human brain to machines. I am so ready for this. But check it out, it's really interesting. Spotify's new update finally supports multitasking on the iPad. The app can now be used on a split screen or as a slide over. I don't know what that means. I don't own Apple products. Nintendo announces a new Switch, not the Lite, with a better battery that will launch in September and at the same price as the normal Switch. The battery is said to last from 4 to 9 hours, compared to the current one that only lasts from 2 to 6 hours. Apparently, the newest Samsung update has been locking Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus phones. A flamethrower drone will soon be commercially available. I did not know that I wanted the word flamethrower and drone to be combined, but thank you. The movie Detective Pikachu is now the highest grossing video game movie ever, recently taking over Warcraft. Warcraft was the highest grossing video game movie? Yo, let me know in the comment section below which video game movie you would like to see, like live action, or if they should just reboot the Super Mario movie. Anyways, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content, and if you want more, just let me know. We could do this weekly. If you're new here, I usually make videos giving advice to live streamers and content creators in general. So if that's the type of content that you want, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and then activate the notification bell. If you're looking for some dope overlays for your Twitch channels, your YouTube game, is that still a thing? YouTube gaming or Mixer or DLive, whatever you use, you can go to gumroad.com/getlevel. I have a bunch of cheap ones and a bunch of free ones. And if you want to know what type of gear I use, I have some Amazon affiliate links in the description. But that's all for today. I'm looking forward to reading your comments. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, Get Level out.